Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the apps. Then scroll all the way down and find Special App Access. Scroll down again and find Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, I can allow Chrome. Just tap on the Chrome and tap on the switcher Allow from the source. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and now the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.